Hey. Hey, babe. Welcome to my Toyota. What do you mean this is a 2003 Honda Civic? Babe, you're so silly. Yeah, I've been driving for a while. I totally know what I'm doing. You think I just hit a trash bin? Well, I think you're delusional and that you just need to get some rest. I'm actually so good at driving. Always got first place in Mario Kart. Shit, Natalia's gonna kill me. What was that? Oh, no, nothing. Just, you know what? How are you? Great weather tonight, no? Car? What are you? Oh, shit! You see, we're fine. Not even a scratch. Oh, fuck, no!